My friend Joe Roselli had the similar bike. He's going to love to see this. Wow, that's a nice shape. Only got 5,000 miles.
What are your servers in this bike?
Excuse me?
What do you need on this bike?
Well, after a crazy wait, finally yesterday we got our muffler from Chris, and boy, that just really was in the PO for too long. Anyway, today's supposed to be yet another unpredictable day. Thunder showers in the afternoon. Who the hell knows if they're lying, they're crying, I don't know what they're doing, but I want to get out on the open road. I'm itching to get a ride in. It's nice to do shop projects in the winter. I really don't like doing them in the summer unless it's an unrideable day. I never like to waste the day I could be out on the open road working in the garage, but sometimes you have to compromise. Now, what's happened, Karen is so excited about her garden. We have half of the refrigerator full of peppers and tomatoes and lettuce, and I feel like a real Farmer Brown here, but, well, anyway, to make a long story short. Thank you, Chris, again. Thank you, Luciano. I now have all the parts for that FZR project. If we do hit another rainy spell, another couple of crappy days. The carburetors are coming from Sudco. They've already left California. I'm excited about that. That'll put even a finer tune on the RD, hopefully. And then we'll make a decision come wintertime whether we want to get that electronic ignition, another couple of $100. Every one of the bikes, it's like this is always the case. You think you would have motorcycles, and that someday there'd be a day in the mythical future when you say, all the bikes are done. Well, you know, if they were done, I'm not sure it would be as exciting as when they're always being evil twinned out and being changed, and I want the loud ones quiet, the quiet ones loud, the green ones yellow. It never ends. And I don't think it's supposed to ever end. When it ends, I think it's time to sell all the motorcycles and buy yourself a car, a sports car or whatever. I'm not sure what. In my case, I do have a dream. And when I give all these things up and I'm all done, and I'll probably be too old to own my own auto gyro then. I really wanted to have an auto gyro before I die. But I do have one thing I could share with people. I had a 1966 Chevy 2 with a 327, 350 horse engine, 4-speed. The cheapest body without a radio. It was like a drag car from the factory. I had it for 2 years. It was stolen and destroyed. I would like to recreate that car. The day I'm done with the motorcycles, I'll start looking for a 1966 Chevy 2 out on the internet. But that day is not today. Today we're going motorcycle riding. So I always ask people, what's on your bucket list? What would there be that you really haven't had yet and you'd like to have? In my case, I still think about that auto gyro. I'd like to have another air coupe that somebody else did the whole restoration on. And one of Dallas's friends, I guess it's his friend, he sent me the video of that polished up air coupe. Yeah, I would love to have that. I'd love to go to Oshkosh. I've never been to Oshkosh. The bucket list is a strange thing. Now, one of the things that was on that bucket list was this bike. I wanted to make a very unique motorcycle, and this has certainly exceeded my wildest dream. And each one of these restorations, they're on in total, in hundreds of episodes. They're all on YouTube, and they're all free. Every one of them. And even the GS, the Evil Twin GS, when we turned this into a West Cooley bike for 2 years, all out on the channel. And I'll make a dedicated video of putting the carbs on, because the carbs have to have the oil lines drilled. There's a couple of other things that have to be changed over, but they will having brand new, nice tight carburetors that don't have sloppy slides and sloppy everything. Well, I know in the past I've done that, and Ray will remember. It worked perfectly. I hope it's going to work as well on this. But every one of the projects is a unique thing. It keeps me busy. Keeps my mind off the fact that I'm just getting old. I'm turning into an older person than I want to be. And I hope your activity keeps you as young as I am, which is not that young. But I'm convinced once you don't have any projects in your life, Becoming a jellyfish is not far down the road. Speaking of fish, it's time to feed the fish. You think they're hungry? They're always hungry. They're like me. And you know, if you overfeed fish, you can kill them. We're careful not to overfeed our babies. And our good friend Big Red has been going in and out of his nest every day early in the morning when Karen do our perp walk. I'm not sure he likes us because we have gardens here. Anyway, we do put out seeds for him. They do like sunflower seeds, and we put them out, and they seem to come back for more every day. And it's so nice waking up every day and taking our little perp walk in the garden and seeing our flowers. Every day they're different than the day before. All that's left is a final check of the weather and see what's in store for us out on the open road today. So this morning I met Luciano up here. He's got his famous orange shirt on, and some part fell off his Ducati on the way up here. We couldn't find it. Well, he couldn't find it.
Down that hill 5 times.
I do something better than you. Two patrol cars parked right in the middle of the circle. I said, oh shit, I'm gonna go.
Boy, it's nice to be the first one up here in the morning. Oh, we got out early this morning. It's beautiful out.
96,000.
So tell me the story. What happened? The seat came off? The back seat? The cushion? Now you can't take your girlfriend on a bike.
It's a little part. That was in my hemorrhoids back in place.
Oh,
It's off.
you can get the mypillow.com guy. He'll give you a pillow.
Yeah, small miniature.
No, big one for you. You and I need the big one. This is nice when you're gonna ride back from the beach and the seat is all nice and hot. Look at that. Yeah, that's nice.
It's gonna fry your hemorrhoids.
Yeah, that's a hemorrhoid treatment.
Otherwise, yeah, the multiple cars.
I like how we do the boats right outside.
It's a big jacket can.
Right in the sun.
Outside, yeah.
All right, they're all rolling in here now. They know they're giving away free coffee today.
That's Nicole?
Of course it is.
I didn't know that. Think about it.
Two numbers.
Yeah.
Now there's a guy wearing proper riding gear. When he goes on his ass, is that gonna hurt?
Ride like that all summer.
Oh, here comes the superstar. The best dressed man in motorcycling.
Jerry the Sand.
Hey!
He's on the big bike today.
Wow, big bucks. Big bucks.
Day before yesterday.
How are those white pants? He's even got a
loving
white
them, baby.
shirt. Wow.
I'm loving them, baby.
Wow, big
I'm
money.
loving them, Jerry.
Big money. I followed your lead. What is that? It's one of those big,
That's a big
Triumph,
Harley.
that's the big,
a big Triumph.
Triumph.
No, that's not a Triumph.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a triple.
Yeah, it's
Oh
that
my God. He goes, I'll give you money.
There you go.
Look at that.
Hey, okay.
That's a nice one.
That's
Yeah, that's beauty. Wow. Joe Roselli had one just like
Give
that.
us a bike. It's a real good retro.
Beautiful.
No way can have 900 on commission. Let's go on our separate ways, I think. This guy's
My friend Joe Roselli had this similar bike. He's going to love to see this. Wow, that's a nice shape. Wow.
This is what they call MONOPOSTO, single rider.
Yeah, yeah.
They only made them in 06.
It's an 06.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Then after 06, 07, they became bi-postal, which this came off. It was a seat. And
Right.
it came with a twin shock.
Wow. That's clean. That's clean as a whistle, boy. Oh my God, only 5,000. That's a brand new bike.
Oh yeah.
Not even due for a valve adjustment yet.
No. Thank God. Company.
Yeah.
We all have different bikes, and we keep them
Inside?
in the office.
Oh, in the office. How
Yeah.
cool.
And we have between us, there's like 12 bikes.
Yeah, yeah. So you
There's-
guys have like a collection.
Yeah, there's 3 of these. There's you ever heard of Walt Siegel?
No.
He builds custom DUCATIs out of New Hampshire.
Okay.
There's 3 of those.
Well, this is original, right?
This is original.
Okay.
Yeah.
It does not look unmolested. Only got 5,000 miles.
What is service on this bike?
Excuse me?
What do you need on this bike?
Through the spokes.
Oh, they're tubeless tires.
They're tubeless.
Oh.
So what they have to do is take the tire off, and then they seal where the
Okay.
spokes are.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
Look at what's put. All the springs are all over the pavement.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so last time.
Dry clutch.
Yeah, so last time I used that kind.
That kind of cover.
Yeah.
And what was it? What, they weren't tightened down?
No, I slide the bike on the
Oh,
ground.
you slid the line. And they crunched them all up and ripped it all off?
Yep.
Oh boy.
I had to get to my trailer to pick up the bike.
Oh, with the clutch, the Ducati clutch?
Yeah.
Yeah. beautiful bike, huh?
Yeah.
It's a beauty.
Switch gears up.
Oh, I see the part that's missing off Luciano's bike. Oh my God. I see the part here, baby. Look. You're not gonna rub your jacket on that or anything?
No, it's a silicone.
Oh,
I
okay.
didn't want to put the screws in the back. I didn't want to take the tail off.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I all that from.
So can you buy that on eBay, can't you?
Yeah, this sell the piece.
Yeah.
$2-3.
Yeah. And it's getting hot already. We're gonna make this a short day. It doesn't look like any chance of rain, but it is really, really getting hot.
That's what I can't. At all times.
All right.
You want to pay for that? That's your idea, vacation?
BMW.
Oh, what a heavenly day this is turning out to be. Oh my God, look at it. But it is going to get hot later. And it's already hot now. So my beautiful bride, are you ready to make some coffee? I'm cooking. Put a fork in me, I'm done. I really am done. It got really hot on the ride home. We really did cook on the ride home. Boy, oh boy, did it get hot in a hurry. I'm sure it's over 90 now. It is really hot. But it's a good ride. It was good to see Luciano, and boy, that was a special, really nice 06 Ducati, a classic. Beautiful bike, beautiful. I congratulate the guy on keeping it that nice. Only 6,000 miles too. Anyway, I want to thank the healthcare workers. It's so important that they have taken such good care of us, and hopefully very soon we'll be done with this. But if we're not, guys, thank you very much for all the work you've done. And I hope you enjoy watching the videos. I enjoy making them, and thanks for watching.